What time is it? Time to put something in here. Well, as much as I'd like to say, and just like that, that wasn't the case. This was actually a little rougher than I thought. This is the first time it ever went back in complete, as a complete unit. So I miscalculated on my header. I'm going to have to cut the frame and make some modifications to it to get the header on. I thought I could slide it in there and then put the engine and transmission in, and it just didn't go right at all. So got to do some work to the frame, get the header on it, get the radiator on it, get the cooling system on it, and we are pretty close to wiring. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.